Hey guys, it's Sophie, and in today's video I'm going to be explaining what order of operation is. So here on the side you could tell that I have a list of things that says brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So that is the list of order that you would go in. And then over here I have in brackets 6 times 6 plus, in another in brackets, 8 divided by 8. So first thing you do is you make one line, and then since brackets is on the top of the list, you're going to pick either 6 times 6 or 8 times 8. 8 divided by 8 because they're both in brackets. So I'm going to choose 6 times 6 first. 6 times 6 is 36. And sorry about my 3. And then you're going to do plus, and then in brackets again, 8 divided by 8. Then you're going to do another line and do 8 divided by 8, which is 1, and then a plus sign, and then 36. And then that, of course, equals 37. Thanks, guys. Bye.